Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Pia Orleane, and I'm inviting you to join me in my workshop, Healing During the Ascension Process, on August 3rd and 4th. The reason for this workshop is to help everyone go beyond our third-dimensional paradigm of seeking healing outside of ourselves or relying upon traditional or alternative third-dimensional medicine. We are in a process of ascension, and therefore we cannot expect to heal something in the third dimension that is part of a multidimensional experience. During this workshop, I will be providing tools to support the third dimensional aspects of our bodies, minds, and emotions. However, there will also be a focus on the possibilities for true healing during the ascension process that is based on light, sound, high vibrational thoughts, high vibrational energy, gratitude, trust, and a happy attitude. We will also hear channeled messages from Mary Magdalene, her daughter Sarah, the Voice, and a Lemurian mermaid. Join me and share the joy of ascension as we remove blocks that are causing challenge or discomfort. Be with others who are also experiencing much of the same thing. Ask your questions and receive suggestions, not only from me, but also from channeled information from other realms. I hope to see you there. Information about me or the workshop can be found in the links below.